Alright, so today we have the integral of tan of x dx. So I'm looking at this, I'm seeing a tan of x, but I really can't see anything else that we can do right now. Can't see really anything that we can substitute out right now. And before doing anything crazy like integration by parts, I want to see if I can rewrite tan of x to something more useful. So I know that tan of x is equal to sine x over cosine x, so I'll probably start with that. Let's get integral of sine of x over cosine of x dx. Alright, so here right now I see something useful. I see that we have a function right here, cosine x, and we have some multiplication of its derivative almost, sine of x. So we know that the derivative of cosine x is negative sine of x, but we only have a sine of x at the top. So what we could do, we could just change to a negative sine of x, right? And do another negative on the outside, right? So that's if like nothing actually happened. So yeah, so I have a cosine x here, right? And I have multiplication by its derivative now, right? I have negative sine of x. So I can go ahead and say that, we can say u is equal to cosine x, right? And then this negative sine of x and dx will lump together into a du, and we'll get negative integral 1 over u du, right? So we can rewrite as that. Now let's see here, integral 1 over u du. Oh, we know what that is. That's natural log of u, right? Well, an absolute value, technically. So we have, now we can do the integral of negative natural log of absolute value u plus c, right? But our original integrand was in terms of x, right? Integral was in terms of x, so we should probably get our final answer in terms of x. And we'll get, right, we just unsubstitute, I guess, I don't know. And we'll get that the integral of tan of x dx is equal to negative natural log of absolute value cosine x plus c, right? If you want to use log properties, you can also write it as, oh, not negative, right? Because the negative 1, the multiplication, we can bring it into the argument as an exponentiation to the power of negative 1. So we can rewrite our answer as natural log of absolute value secant of x plus c, right? So that's our final answer, right? Any one of these two forms, or actually both of them, right? So that's basically it, right? Integral of tan of x dx, not too bad. It's really a simple u substitution once you rewrite tan of x. So yeah, that's basically it for now, and I'll see you in future videos.